short video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make cookie cutters in TinkerCad. Now these cookie cutters can in theory be 3D printed, so if you have a 3D printer, they should be well equipped to do that as well. Alright, so what I've got here is the end result, but let's start with a star. And what I've done is press the shift button and made it the size I want it. And I'm just going to choose 80 millimeters on the ends. Alright, then what we do is we Command C, Command V if you're on a Mac, or Control C, Control V to copy and paste. We make a second star that's slightly taller and we turn it into a hole, but we need to make sure it's slightly smaller as well. So again, holding the shift button and then select the corner, we're going to make it slightly smaller. Now how much smaller? I'd say about 4 millimeters smaller. In this case, it's just so I get about a 2 mil edge around the whole star. Once I've done that, I'm going to press the align button. So I get a line on both sides, and you can see very quickly it's going to create the outline of a star, and then we can group there. Now with a cookie cutter, it's nice to have a strong base at the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is Command C, Command V, copy and paste. I'm going to ungroup. I'm actually going to make this star, the yellow star, the solid star, larger. And I'm going to make the hole slightly smaller. Now when I realign those two, you should see, realign using the align tool, one of my favorite tools. You should see that we have a thicker star. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to make this extra flat. We're going to make it about 2 millimeters tall, and we're going to make this one approximately 20 millimeters tall. Then all we need to do at the end is select both, click on the align button again. Lots of aligning in this project in both horizontal and vertical directions, and you can see we've got a thick base and our star looks pretty good. Now it's not perfect, and it's pretty simple. In this tutorial you can only use basic shapes. In my next tutorial I'll show you how to use vectors that you find online, like a dolphin, and if you're up for it I'll make another one in Illustrator where you can draw your very own. But for now, that should do it. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll see if I can get back to them. Good luck.